Hey guys, we have here the pressurized handheld steamer and cleaner. So this is a portable steamer that you can use for your home, kitchen. It comes with all these attachments you can see here. So you can use this on windows, bathrooms, kitchen, car cleaning, grout, all the above. It comes with all the attachment, which I absolutely love. So this is really great, especially if you have tile on your floor or bathroom, in your kitchen. Use it even on your car outside. It even has a squeegee and everything you can see here. All these great attachments, which I absolutely positively love. So it makes it so easy to use. You just fill it up with water and it gives you the exact measurements right there. Screw it on. You could put it on the attachments, use whichever one you see fit. I'm going to use it on my shower doors and my floor of grout, so you see how I use that. And this is actually how the attachment with the cloth is used. It also has a squeegee attachment, so those are really, really fun and easy to use. So here you have the child lock. You unlock the child lock and you hold down the handle, and 1, 2, 3, the steam comes out, and it's that easy to use. So I was steam cleaning the grout, and in between you could see there it's really, really easy to use. Again, you really could just go and don't have to think about it, and then make sure to be filling it up in between, and you could see how much lighter the grout it looks here. Absolutely love it. So now I was just kind of steam cleaning my shower doors. I like to rub it with the steam with the cloth first, and then I go in afterwards with the squeegee. But guys, so easy to use. Easy peasy. Again, move it up and down. It comes with the cloth, as you can see here. So already getting all that grime off the window, which I absolutely love. So I was able to steam all that bad boy off, and you can see in just one moment how we use the squeegee. Absolutely love it. Look at that, guys. So simple. Everyone needs this in their house. Easy way to clean your home.